Hey, I'm Fish. Oh man, what a day. I'm shooting with a DJI Osmo Action 4 and a DJI Mic 2. I don't wear a neck mount as much or put a bike mount on. I'm more or less hold the camera in hand. I shoot in 4K 30 frames today, all the time. And I leave my camera set to a certain setting. And I got the shutter speed at 1/100 through 8,000. Oh yeah. All right, you know why I bounce on my old bike? Because my seating is proper. My stance, everything I do. I almost got this dialed in. I'm like 99.100% ivory soap. Oh yeah, the kids are playing. They're having fun, and so am I. I only got like under 40% battery power, but I got plenty of camera power. Which would you prefer? Losing all the power on your mic or your camera? You lose it on your mic, you still got your camera, but you lose the camera, you're not going to be happy with just the mic. Yep, getting ready to fly, we missed it. Man, that is one nice size plane. Wingspan, minimum 48 inches, probably about 54 inches. We're going to catch a flight. It's all set up, ready to go. Got a couple of spare batteries. Preparing for takeoff. We're starting, going, and off he goes. Hey, I like doing things SPV style. I give my camera a little tilt. Now, you could say he's about his height limit. Coming down for a little nosedive. Now, it's hard for you to see in person through a camera's eye. But he's out there. Nice height, nice flight. We'll get on out of here. Have some fun doing what I like to do. Then RC fly, that is RC cars. Let me tell you one thing. One thing I didn't mention. Oh, I missed the squeak of my front wheel brake. I gotta give a little press of it. It's like a little toot toot, a horn. Now from here, you can see the plane. It's right up there doing a little flying. It almost looks like he's over the water and nearby, but he's not. Well, I had a good time riding. I think I'm gonna put you in my waist pocket and get some show and tell. Oh, now you come on? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, I'm not gonna get an 085 because the Bluetooth is gonna be updated. I'll put you in my pocket in the front and show some forwardness and get on going. All right, so here we are. Let's move along. See how fast we can go. How fast can Fish go? Second gear, fourth gear. Ooh, baby. Fifth gear. I'm in the sixth gear. And I'm doing about 20 plus miles per hour. Oh man, he was gonna come on out. Ooh, baby. I just switch down. I could fly on my bike. Fish is flying. It's a fly fish. most of my ride is on gear number 3, Cannondale. Very not consistent of the gear changes. 2 is light, 3 is great. I'm finding my Cannondale Adventure 2's got a nice ride in gear number 2. Like I said, the sweet spot, riding around with the wind blowing and all that good stuff. The problem here we got is gear number 3 to me gets a little hard, but gets me going when I need to be, when I'm, no wind, nothing, and I'm pedaling along just fine. Man, this bad boy up on the 6th gear, it could really fly. My foot's on the floor and I'm on the seat. That's the way I'm pretty comfortable at. Add another 2 plus to the bike? Yes, indeed. I put some good mileage on it and always going to put more. Just don't get it. Deja vu, man. I thought I set my camera up, my mic up, and I get a crash. No way to reboot the camera, but pull the battery out. Share the fun with you. I'm going to try to stop again. I think the OP3 Pocket 3 spoiled me. It sure did. And I'm going to go back to that camera and just have fun using it. The funny thing is, a lot of people don't know me and what I do. I love using my recent things, the latest purchases. You have to explain it to people out there so they understand, Fish. I did. They come to the channel if they do. If they never come to the channel, they're never going to know. I'm all about everything in life. The wind is kicking me. Oh, I got a lower gear that I could pedal a lot easier. Oh yeah. Can't get close to the seagulls anymore. They just fly right away. Fly! I remember dipping my camera 10 plus feet into the water. And when I brought it out, I wasn't a happy camper. I wasn't upset. Oh man, is it that true that no matter how much I tried to the DJ mic connected, it then started with the remote pair? Wow. I don't have Pro on, so I don't have the mic 2 section on. But I'm able to still use the pair as a remote control. So it don't make sense. It's like an oxymoron. Can't believe I have to set the mic up and the wireless mic. Audio to video sync. Come on, man. I've gone over this. I don't want to keep my camera on the bike. I'm afraid it's going to flip over and fall with the wind blowing. The latency for me, man, I can tell you, is a little bit different than yours. But yeah, man, what can I say? I'm just enjoying the fun, the day, the breeze, the air. You don't need Pro on, Fish, to get the vibration. Others, they say they got the vibration without. You got it. The internal recording. Yeah, my Cannondale. I'm happy. I really am. I've done everything I need to do with it. That makes me happy. I do have to take off my bike rack, switch it on over from the Huffy to the Adventure 2. And then I'll be all set. I wish they had more colors. Ooh, what am I gonna do? Get rid of the dirt. You didn't see that speck there. But thank you for telling me I had a little water spot. Yeah, put the bike seat rack on there. I don't want fenders, but maybe a little fender like this big. Or maybe a front rack would do. I don't want to make my bike stupid heavy because I have plans for the future. It's not going to come anywhere near soon, but I have to make a decision when my survey comes up. And that's like waiting for it right now. Once that survey comes up, then I'll make my choice of what I want. Going to be a front hub. It's going to be where I can't attach it here or here, but I can attach it to here, the water bottle area. And it's going to go over here, then my light's got to be moved. I could put my light over here and then take this and rotate it, put it on an angle, but then the flare go up and down this way. But I know I could modify this to go over here, and face out. There are many ways to go about that. Been on my bike rides all day long today. Yeah, I got some footage, different parts. Yeah, I'm gonna share what I did in one day. Morning, afternoon, it is what it is, man. I'm the man of video. Always something in my videos that's helpful to someone out there. So on that note, I'll probably put you away. Maybe I want the mic to be a little further down. Maybe I want to turn my mic this way. Do I sound any better with my mic facing down? I got you on -6 dB. Not going to happen because I need Pro on. I'm at 0 dB of you got it. So my mic facing down should sound better. I did say in my videos that this was my special place. I like to come here, I like to watch. Oh man, it's nice and quiet today. Thank you, Mr. Seagull. Yeah, thank you. Well, you know, time for me to watch the water, enjoy. Yeah, man, everything happens right here. Oh yeah. I'm Fish, and I catch on many videos to come. I'm gonna go back, sit back, relax, and edit my video with Wondershare Filmora 13. Oh man, getting used to the program, but my machine don't love anything I do anymore. Have a great day, and catch on many other videos to come.